The sound's getting louder, all right. Come on, detectives. Follow that sound.
I think someone's inside Pluto's doghouse.
Oh, gosh.
Look, someone's sleeping in Pluto's doghouse. And she's still there. What kind of animal is it?